So what the advantages of this 1% rule? Of course, we had been discussed this before, that it has been used by all successful professional trader and investor all around the world. Okay, if let me think about this. All right, in real life, the professional trader and investor, all right, they have a lot of money. All right, they are big institutional investor, and they had to comply their trading rules by 1%. All right, but if you are willing to risk more than that, all right, maybe 1.5% or 2% of your total equity, that is acceptable. All right, as long as you can accept the losses in any single trade, and that's gonna be fine. All right, and what you had to make sure uh, is that the strategy that being used, this 1% rule, is a very low risk strategy over a long period of time. So this is something that you need to implement, that you need to be disciplined, that you implement 1% rule risk management, so that your account are protected over a long period of time, and you see, you'll be able to see that your account growing, all right, from time to time. And believe me, the fastest way to compound your wealth is is steadily growth. All right, is compounding growth. It's not you want win one time big and lose one time bigger. All right, you don't want to do this. What you want to do, what you want to see, is that your equity, your total cash being compounded steadily over a period of time. So this is something that you want to do by implementing this 1% rule. All right. And if you implement this 1% rule, you have a lot of chances to gain massive profits in the market. All right. Especially when you are a beginner. It is because if you implement 1% rule, just like you have a very massive shield for you to prevent yourself from getting rid out from the market. So this is something that you don't want to do, or want to happen to you. You want to reinvest your money over and over period of time. And one more important point is that you want to be steadily have a steadily psychology, have a great psychology, so that you are not panic when this market goes against your directions. Well, it is only 1%. You don't mind if you lose. So this is something that in an environment that you want to create. All right, when you use this 1% rule, and when you implement a low risk strategy, all right, you get, you not easily panic, and you are able to make a very good decision that is not based on your emotions. All right, so this is something that you want to do. You want to get rid of the all of that unnecessary emotions from you. All right, believe me, over a long period of time, when you trade, all right, this is how my wealth compounded every year, by steadily growth my equity, all right, from time to time, not try to gain massive profits at only one time, because you cannot do that. All right, unless you see the opportunity coming in. When you get very experts in the market, you get a long experience in the market, you are able to predict better. You are more skillful at getting in, you are more skillful at getting out. So you are not emotionally attached to the trades, but you make unnecessarily decisions when it comes to make either to get into or sell your trade. All right, for profits. Now, how do you want to get an advantage in the market? All right, one, how do you take advantage of the market. So what you can do is that you can speculate, all right? You can speculate in between. You maintain a safe and profitable trading over a long period of time. So what I mean here is that you implement 1% rule, risk management rule, and what you want to do is that this is your first main account, which is for long term, but somehow in between, when you're getting expert at looking in the patterns in the markets, you are more confident and you are more skillful at getting in and getting out by not being emotionally attached to the trade, and you have high chance, all right, to get the profitable trades. And you can, why not, you can speculate the trade, mean like you can have a uh, short short positions. What I mean, short term positions over the long term position. All right. Whenever you see the opportunity coming in, all right. This is not for every time. When you see the opportunity is coming in, so you can speculate. But you have to bear in mind is that your long term investment, all right, is your main account. Right. This is something that you have to bear in mind. And what the beautiful things about this 1% rule is that it is suitable for all financial products. It is applicable to all financial products. Yeah, because we are talking about probability of a large trades that you make during your trades. Okay, it is same goes to the stocks. It is same goes to the option, and it is same goes to the futures. Thank you.